Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. This is my first video ever. Actually, yesterday my sister made a video and she's younger than me, so I thought maybe I should also try. So today I'm gonna give you a recipe of white keema karhai. Although I'm also cooking it for the first time, let's see how it tastes. Anyway, the ingredients needed for this are almost means I have taken almost 500 to 600 grams. Onion you need not this much, you need just a small quantity. Then you will be needing some cashews, about 6 to 10, and almonds, and one green chili you will be needing, and we will be needing the garlic ginger paste. Then the other ingredients, that are the spices that I'll tell you accordingly as I'll proceed. Then you will be needing the cooking cream, and plain yogurt, and cooking oil, and water. So the first step that I'm going to do is that I am going to blend these nuts and green chilies with water, and I'll show you the results. So here I'm going to add all these things, 3 ingredients, into the grinder. Yeah. Along with this, I'm going to add water so that it turns out into a paste form. Okay, but don't add too much water. Okay, just a small quantity. Now I'm going to grind it and then I'll show you. So our paste is ready, and you can see the consistency of this paste. It's the like liquid, but like this should be the consistency of the paste. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to set it aside, and now I am going to add cooking oil in my pan. Before that, I'll turn on the exhaust. Okay, I'm going to turn on the flame. I will be adding oil. Okay, you don't need a huge quantity of oil, you just need small quantity, because here we have ingredients that already, like cream and other things, that are going to already give us a lot of oil, so it's better to use. So I already added onion in the oil, and I have to wait until the color of the onion becomes translucent. After that, I will be adding this garlic ginger paste, but before that you have to wait till the color changes to translucent. So now you can see as the onions are translucent, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the garlic ginger paste. Now I have added the garlic ginger paste, and now I'm going to mix everything together. Now I have already mixed it well. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to add now we are going to add the mince. That is the chicken mince that I did it in the chopper. If you have the proper mince, you can use that. Okay, I have added the mince in the mixture of onion and the ginger garlic paste. Now I have to wait till the color of the mince changes to white. Now as you can see, the color is changing, but it will take a while to change, so you will wait until all of it turns white. And after that, we are going to add the paste that we made of almond, cashews, and green chilies. Now as you can see that the color is changed to white. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add this paste in the mixture. Okay, and I am going to mix it well. Now I will be adding spices, in which I will be using this salt, almost 1 teaspoon, and it depends on your taste. Coriander powder, almost 1.5 teaspoon, or you can use 1 tablespoon. You can this is the zira that is chopped, and it is also roasted. Then I'm going to use the garam masala, almost 1 teaspoon, and black pepper, as I don't like it much, so I will be using it almost half teaspoon. Now see, our keema is almost like it has changed the color, and now it's time to add all the spices, and along with it I will be adding a few drops of lemon juice. Now I have added the spices, and added a few drops of lemon juice, and now its consistency is like this. Now I will be adding a few drops of water, you can say 1/4 cup of water, and then I will wait for the water to vanish, or like to evaporate, and then I will be adding the yogurt, cream and the kasuri methi and the things for garnishing. Now I have added water. I'll wait for the water to evaporate so that the mince is like ready to eat, but there are few ingredients that will make it more delicious. So stay tuned till the next part. Okay, now the water is almost evaporated, not completely, but what we are going to do now is that we are going to add yogurt. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons. I have added yogurt and I have mixed it well. Now you have to wait until the water evaporates, or at least minimum quantity of water is left. At this point the water is almost evaporated. Like you can see a bit of water, but it is, otherwise the mince will become really dry. For now I will be turning off the flame, because now I will be adding cream. This cream I will be adding, that is the cooking cream, that is actually the spray cream. Okay, I have added the cream. Now I am going to mix it well, and then I'll turn on the flame until the oil separates. I have mixed it well, and you can use any kind of cream that you have, cooking cream or whatever, but remember that you have to turn off the flame, otherwise, you know, the cream is generally will destroy the taste, because the cream is at a higher flame, it will burst. Okay, and it will give you a very bad taste. Now we have to wait until the oil separates, and then we are going to garnish it with the kasuri methi and green chilies and ginger. Now as you can see that the oil is separated, now what we are going to do, we are going to garnish it with kasuri methi, ginger and green chilies. Now as you can see, I have garnished it. I will mix it, and then I'll turn off the flame, and then I'll show you how it looks finally. So this is how my keema looks finally. You can see that it's really cooked well. It has beautiful colors, and this is white keema kadhai that everyone is going to love for sure. So do try the recipe and give it the feedback, and if you like my video, I'll try to make more videos for you people. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.